Building wealth can be a difficult process, especially when you're just at the point of getting started. For most individuals, one of the most difficult milestones to achieve is making their first $100,000. So if the first 100K is as difficult to earn as it seems, how can you achieve this? What are the processes for getting your first 100K? What are the steps to take to make it much easier for us to get started on an exciting wealth-building journey? Well, that's why we're here today. Before we begin, make sure you like the video and press the subscribe icon. Let's go! 1. Being a remote sales rep. This is one perfect way to make your first 100K. Remote sales representatives communicate with customers regularly to sell products or services through phone calls. They execute the same work as regular sales reps, but they can make commissions and perform responsibilities right from the comfort of their home. As a remote sales rep, you take the initiative to find and contact your potential customer through your excellent interpersonal skills and persuasive techniques to negotiate and secure sales. Qualifications for this remote role include organizational and interpersonal skills and excellent time management. This will help in developing client relationships. You also need computer proficiency in software such as Microsoft Office and a reliable computer with internet access. So, you can learn and easily make $100,000 a year by being an online sales rep. All you have to do is focus on developing each client relationship and help foster opportunities for future business. 2. Become a thought leader in your field. This means you should try to serve as many people as possible. The more people you impact, the more money you tend to make. Of course, some people are leaders in their field, and these people are internationally respected. This means you must also establish yourself as a thought leader by stepping back from your business agenda. You should also clarify your area of expertise and listen to others' opinions. This will make you more respected, and you can earn more money. There are thought leaders who can be e-consulted at a rate of $1,000 per day. So these people command a massive amount of money wherever they go. They are always in high demand. The reality is that the more people you influence, the more money you can make. Understand that this doesn't mean you have to be a celebrity. If you've built yourself to where everyone in your company comes to you for advice, you will make more money. 3. By flipping slippers. One of the best ways to make your 100K is to start reselling sneakers. By doing this, you do not have to worry about accumulating debt in your reselling business and can focus on making a fast profit. The more money you make, the more sneakers you can quickly buy and resell. Quickly reselling is still one of the best ways to start making your money because of the high competition in the sneaker reselling industry. As we know that we're in a very lucrative world, you need to educate yourself very well on this, and then you can capitalize on what you've learned about the flipping business. There are more sneaker resellers now than ever, and because of that, quickly getting paid from your sneakers is the best way to go about it. Flipping sneakers is very profitable, and you can earn a lot of money in the business. You just need to know how to play the game. 4. Become a freelancer. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job at your 9-to-5 job and do it online instead. Irrespective of who you are, there's always something you are skilled at. Be it drawing, singing, painting, writing, teaching, designing, programming, and as funny as it may sound, dancing. Yes, each of these skills can be converted into a running pool of income with freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and much more. The best of becoming a freelancer is the control you get to have your own time. 5. Never stop job hunting. This may sound a bit distrustful, but you're not likely to begin at the bottom of a company and work your way up. It's not a bad idea if you do, but you should steadily be growing your skills and value. You should also understand that one of the fastest ways to get a pay raise is to get a better job. Do not stop hunting for better paying jobs. Do not be too calm with your current work. You should also focus on connecting with new people, building your personal brand on LinkedIn, and networking. These remote activities are also considered job hunting. The reality is that one of the fastest means to get a raise in income is to change for a better job. If you're an employee and you stay in the same job longer than 2 years, you will earn 50% less over your lifetime. This does not mean you should quit your job tomorrow. All I'm saying is for you to be always open and ready for new opportunities that come your way. 6. Become an entrepreneur. The sad reality of being an employee is when you sell your time to an employer, they usually get the better value. They cannot keep you around if you aren't making more money. Employers most times sell your labor for a premium that makes them money off the difference. If you couldn't do this, you'd be laid off pretty quickly. So if you're willing to forego working for an employer to start your own business and take control of your labor, the possibility of making what you're worth is certain. You only have to be patient till it yields because you're just starting. Being an entrepreneur does offer unlimited potential. However, it also has its downside. That's why starting a side hustle is always good if you've never been an entrepreneur. But if you're still willing to dwell on the entrepreneurship plan, you should be ready to learn and master scarcity or complexity through a high-demand skill or competency. So, being a business owner during this period really gives you a lot of opportunities. With this in mind, you will make your first 100K soon enough. 7. Start a dropshipping business. If you haven't heard about the term dropshipping or selling without an inventory, then your location has got to be questioned. The system is simple. You sell products you don't own. I know what you're thinking. Someone's selling what's not his. Isn't that stealing? Well, not in this case. Commonly, dropshippers head over to AliExpress to find cheap and stylish products people would love to buy. Then they create their own store using platforms like Shopify. Then list the products in their stores and add a few extra dollars to the price. So, when a customer orders from your store, you simply order the product from AliExpress and have it delivered straight to your customer. A smooth way to earn passively. And that's it for today, guys. So, which of these methods are you going to try out? Don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section. Do ensure to give this video a thumbs up, tap on the awesome subscribe button, and jingle that notifications bell so you'll stay updated with our interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.